Hello children. Today I am going to explain the new topic and the name of the topic is area. Let's start. So look here children, here we have one room, and if you want to cover the floor with the carpet, what you have to do, you have to find the area. So what is area? The area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or surface of an object, and area is measured in square units such as meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, etc. And area is calculated by multiplying the length of a shape by its width. Moving to the next page. Now here we have words used for area: paint used to cover a wall, tiling work on the ground, carpet on the ground or floor, plowing, field repairing, etc. are the words used for area. Now here children, you can see this. Look at the first figure. In this figure you can see we have one square of side 1 centimeter. Now how you will find the area? You will multiply side, that is 1 centimeter, with side. Okay, so 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter equals 1 centimeter square. Note that your 1 centimeter square. Note that your area will be always be in square unit. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here we have some fun facts. Among all the shapes with same perimeter, a circle has the largest area, and the area of the outside surface of a solid or three-dimensional shape is called surface area. Here we have an area of a square. As you all know, all sides of a square are equal. Suppose this is a square with side S. Now you all know here all sides are equal. So what will be the area of this square? The area of this square will be side into side, and you can also say side square. Area equals side square. Okay, and now here move to the example part. Here we have one example. In this example you can see the side of this square is 7 meter, and here again it will be 7 meter because all the sides of a square are equal. So here children, you have to find the area of this square. What you will do, you will write area equals side into side, so its area will be 7 into 7, and answer will be 49 meter square. Here you can see the measurements are in meter, so here we will write meter square. Okay, moving to the next page. Now this is the area of a rectangle. Children, here you can see longer side is known as length and shorter side is known as width, or you can also say breadth. So here area of a rectangle equals length into width. So here we have one example. If the breadth of the rectangle is 5 centimeter and 55 centimeter square, what we have done here, we have multiplied 5 by 11, and our answer is 55 centimeter square. Moving to the next page. Now as you all know, area of a rectangle is length into width, and so for finding length, what you will do, you will divide area by width, and for finding width, what you will do, you will divide area by length. So here we have an example based on area of a rectangle. So find the length of a rectangle whose area is 66 square centimeter and width is 6 centimeters. So what you have to do here children, you all know the for finding the length of a rectangle we have this formula. Area and width is already given in the question. So what you will do, length here you will write, then area is 66 square centimeter and width is 6. Okay, so what you will get over here, 6 times 11 equals 66. So here your answer will be 11 centimeter. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here we have the figure and formula for different shapes. Please go through this. Now here we have area of a circle. Children, area of a circle is pi r square, where r is radius. Now find the area of a circle if radius is 49 centimeters. So children, what you have to do here children, you all know area of a circle is pi r square. So you have to write 22 by 7 into 7 square, because 7 is your radius. So your answer will be 154 centimeters square. Moving to the next page. Now it's your turn, children. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 3 centimeter and width is 4 centimeters. So what you have to do here, children, you all know the formula for rectangle is length into width. So what will be your answer? Let's check. I think you all have written the correct answer. You all have got 12 centimeter square as the answer. Moving to the next page. Now again it's your turn, children. You have to give the answer. Let's check whether you are correct or not. I hope all of you are correct and your answer is 25 square centimeter. You can also write it in this way, 25 centimeter square. In this way both the answers are same. Okay, so with this we come to an end and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.